Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are a student studying in West Bengal, whether in school, college or university, this video is made just for you. Today we are going to explore one of the most powerful and helpful scholarship schemes of our state, the Swami Vivekananda Merit-cum-Means scholarships, popularly known as SVMCM. Every year, thousands of brilliant students from West Bengal apply for this scholarship, and it has helped lakhs of students to continue their studies without financial burden. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about SVMCM 2025 to 2026. What exactly is this scholarship? Who can apply? What are the eligibility criteria? How much money is given degree wise? What documents are needed? How to apply step by step, and renewal process, important dates and expert tips for approval. So if you are a student preparing for higher secondary, engineering, medical, diploma or any degree course, stay with me till the end, because this scholarship might be turning point of your academic life. At first, section 1, what is SVMCM? Swami Vivekananda Merit-cum-Means scholarship is a financial aid program by the government of West Bengal to help meritorious students from economically weaker families continue their studies. The scholarship covers almost every level of education from class 9 to postgraduate, you can say, and even professional courses like engineering, medicine, nursing, law and management. The idea is simple: no student should drop out because of financial problem. The scheme is named after Swami Vivekananda, who believed that education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. This scholarship continues that same vision, empowering students to reach their full potential through education. Now, section 2, eligibility criteria. Now let's talk about who can apply for the SVMCM scholarship 2025 to 2026. To be eligible, the student must be a permanent resident of West Bengal. They must be studying in a recognized institution within the state. They should have scored at least 60% marks in the previous qualifying exam. That means 60% in Madhyamik for higher secondary, or 60% in class 12 for undergraduate admission, and so on. The annual family income must not exceed 2,50,000 per year. The student must not be receiving any other government scholarship simultaneously. Special category: Kanyasri K3 students who have a valid K2 ID are pursuing PG courses are also eligible under the SVMCM. This criteria courses ensures that the scholarship truly reaches deserving and needy student who excel academically but lack financial support. So now comes the most exciting part, the scholarship amount. This is how the financial assistance is distributed degree wise. For the higher secondary class 11 to 12 all streams, the amount per month is 1000, means 12,000. For undergraduate arts and commerce general courses, same 12,000. For undergraduate science stream, the amount is 18,000. For undergraduate engineering, medical and professional, the amount is 60,000. For postgraduate arts and commerce, the amount is 24,000, and postgraduate science also 30,000. And for postgraduate engineering, medical and professional level 1,000. And for polytechnic diploma, you can say 18,000. And Kanyasri scheme 2,000 to 2,500 per month. All payments are made by directly to students' bank account through DBT, direct benefit transfer. No middleman, no offline interference, just transparent online payment. It is not just financial support, it is a recognition of your hard work and merit. So now section 4, required documents. Before applying, make sure you have the following documents ready in clear scanned form: mark sheet of the last qualifying exam, Madhyamik, HS, UG, PG, etc. The income certificate issued by a competent authority, BDO, SDO or local government officer. Aadhaar card, bank passbook, student's name and account number must match. passport size photograph, institute verification form available on the website to be signed and sealed by your school or college head, admission receipt or fee slip, domicile proof, ration card, Aadhaar card or certificate. Make sure your name, address and details match across all documents to avoid, you can say, rejection. So in the portal, step by step application process. Now let's understand how to apply online. At first you need to visit the official site svmcm.wbhed.gov.in. Then you can click on the new registration, choose your category like HS, UG, PG, Diploma and Kanyasri and fill in your personal, academic and bank details carefully. And upload all required documents in the correct form. Submit the application and note your application ID. Print the acknowledgement slip and submit it to your college or institution head for verification. After verification, your application status will move through approved by HOI, head of the institution, then approved by DPI, Directorate. Once approved, the amount will be transferred directly to your account, bank account. Now section 6, renewal process. If you are applying for renewal, follow these points. You must have scored 60% or above in your previous semester or year. Log in using your previous application ID, update your new mark sheet and submit again. The renewal is usually faster than fresh applications. Usually the applications open in October, November, December time, but always check the official website for the latest updates each year. Okay, so some common mistakes the many students actually do this because it can happen for rejection. Avoid this, like wrong bank account or IFSC code, blurred or incomplete document uploads, mismatch in name between Aadhaar and mark sheet or bank account, submitting application without institution verification. Always review the entire application before the final submission. So now friends, this was the complete and detailed explanation of the SVMCM scholarship 2025 to 2026, and from eligibility and amount to documents and online application. If you are a student in West Bengal, please don't miss this opportunity. This scholarship can support your dreams, reduce the financial stress and help you to continue your studies with confidence. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with your friends and comment below with your course and year. I will personally reply with tips and guidance, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos on scholarship, Makaut exam preparation, student career guides and WBJ roadmaps. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning and keep believing and never stop dreaming.